The Birkenhead Drill. On a January morn they set sail fae Cork, for soldiering now was their job of work. But it wasn't for glory or the love of killing, for maist of them joint just for the Queen's shilling. So they left their hame and land of starvation, and o'er the sea to make war on an African nation. But it's no for war that we remember them now, rather the legacy that he left baith me and you. It was on a dark February morn 20 miles fae the shore that their courage stands out like never afore. Though things looked calm down there in the deep, their foe lurked alow, no making a peep. All of a sudden the Birkenhead ran aground, for 400 souls their end would come soon. At the point of impact 100 died right away, drinking their cabins and their beds where they lay. All the rest they gathered on deck to abandon ship, this soon to be wreck. There they assembled, both man and boy, all at the ready, the lifeboats to employ. But as is often the case in the soldiers' lot, what they really needed, they hadn't got. Out of the 8 boats they had, they could only use 3. So, who's for the boats, and who's for the sea? Then Colonel Seaton, their leader, stepped forth, a brave Scotsman himself, fae way up north. His voice brought calm to all around. We must save the women and weans afore this ship goes down. Now with their precious cargo safe and sound, acts of bravery did indeed abound. For rather than swim to the boats and risk them capsize, they stayed well away and gain up their lives. Hunters and men preparing to die, treading water in the depths of the sea. And so they waited there in the dark, either to drown or be eaten by shark. Greater love hath nae man than to sacrifice himself for others when he can. And so now we all know the drill. When things are their worst, real men stand back, women and weans go first. And this is the reason their story I tell, for afore this day it was every man for himself. Now all o'er the world we all know it's God's will to do our duty like men and never forget the Birkenhead Drill.